We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Meta Call Alert Immobiliser. So the way it works, you have two tags, one on each key. If someone got in the vehicle, obviously the tag's out of the battery and tag wasn't here, they got in the vehicle, got your key, went to start the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. With this system, we're going to get a phone call, so if we're around the corner, we're going to know, it's going to ring us, and also it's going to fire off the horn, so everyone around is going to hear it. So we'll just pop the battery into this tag. With the battery in, that silences the horn and disarms the system. So when you're driving this vehicle, all you've got to do, simply have the tag in your pocket, hop in the vehicle, you're good to go, start it up. The vehicle runs, no call alerts. It's just a normal car. As I said, this system comes with two authorization tags that you just simply have on your keys. No need to worry about them. When you walk out of the vehicle, 60 seconds later, the system's active, your vehicle's immobilised, you're going to receive a phone call and it's going to fire off the horn. We'll show you from outside, but to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Meta Call Alert Immobiliser. Thanks for watching.